Crispy, golden, and oh so addictive. Mimoz, Haitian chin chin. That'll have you reminiscing about the good old days. Made with love, milk, a dash of cinnamon, and nutmeg. These crispy treats are perfectly crunchy on the outside with a soft, melt-in-your-mouth center. Fried to perfection, sprinkled with sugar. Each bite is pure childhood bliss. Whether it's for a snack, a party, or just because, Mimoz hits the spot every time. Hashtag Haitian Chin Chin. First, mix your dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons yeast, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg for that perfect aroma. Next, add your wet ingredients. Pour in just under 1 cup of milk, about 3/4 of a cup, half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon vanilla, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Stir everything together until you've got a smooth dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for 15 minutes, so those flavors can come together. Once it's rested, flour your surface and roll out the dough. Then cut it into cubes by tracing vertical and horizontal lines. Now, heat up your oil to medium hot and carefully drop in the dough cubes. Stir regularly, frying them until they're golden and crispy on all sides. While those little cubes are frying, watch them turn golden brown, crisping up beautifully. You'll start to smell that sweet, cinnamony goodness filling the air. Every turn in the oil is getting them one step closer to crispy perfection, and trust me, the crunch is going to be so worth the wait. Once golden, remove and drain them on a napkin to soak up any excess oil. As you carefully remove each piece, feel free to admire that golden crispiness. The crunch is just about to blow your mind. Once they're out, set them on a napkin to soak up any excess oil. Just a few seconds, and they're ready to enjoy. How crispy do you like your Mimoz? Extra crunchy or soft in the middle? I want to know what you think is the perfect texture. Alright, here we go with the second batch. You're doing great. Watch as they sizzle and puff up in the oil, turning that perfect golden color. The kitchen smells like heaven right now, and trust me, that crunch is going to be even better with this batch. You're just a few minutes away from pure bliss. As you're pulling these out of the oil, take a second to look at that perfect golden color. Can you hear that crunch from here? Have you ever made Mimoz before? Or is this your first time trying? Drop a comment and let me know if you're excited to taste these. Then, dust with powdered sugar or regular sugar to give them that sweet, melt-in-your-mouth finish. Just look at that. Golden, crispy, absolutely irresistible. You can almost hear the crunch just looking at it, right? That light sugar dusting? Chef's kiss. Tell me this doesn't take you straight back to childhood. Because one bite, and it's all over. You're hooked. And now, the best part. Can you hear that crunch? It's everything you remember and more. If this took you back to your childhood or made your mouth water, don't keep it to yourself. Save this recipe, share it with a foodie friend, and let's keep the nostalgia and the crunch going. Who are you making this for first?